check the network. And let's open a new file. So to start our program, so let's start our program. Import numpy as empty. Let's create array. So let's start for r is equal to empty dot array close and 1 2 3 4 5 then close. Let's create the array. R underscore squared is equal to R to print R underscore squared. So the second is, let's create the second array and calculate the sum. So next is r underscore second array equal to empty dot array and let's put some numbers 1 and 2, then 3 and 4. Next, print empty dot sum r2. So let's run our program. Maunti lang siya para basic lang, diba? Sana mag-run. So here's our output. So the first line output, the squared values of each element is the array 1, 4, 9, 16, and 25. So the second line outputs the sum of the elements of the second array, which is the 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equals to 10. And that's all. Thank you. So, hindi nag-record.